supplier on pinduoduo. Okay, so many people have reached out to me asking me how they can know a legit supplier on pinduoduo. All right, so I personally love shopping more on pinduoduo than even 1688. Okay, I shop on both apps, but I love pinduoduo more. All right, we all know that pinduoduo is one of the amazing apps you can shop from. Okay, so one of the things you need to look out for when buying from a supplier on pinduoduo is the reviews. What are people saying about this supplier, this store? How many people have bought from this supplier? How fast does this supplier deliver products? How fast do they respond to your chats? You need to check this. And then if the supplier have a store protection, if Pindodo recognizes this supplier on their app, you need to look out for all these things. Okay, so I'll be walking you through step by step on how to know all these things before you buy from a supplier. Another thing is that you should not buy from any supplier who, when you chat them, they send you what's it called, their Alipay or WeChat pay barcode or details to send money offline. Please do not do that. Don't buy from any supplier who asks you to pay offline. Stay away from such supplier. Okay, they will the money is gone. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please love, like, share, subscribe and comment. Join this beautiful family. And then if you're a returning viewer, I love you so much. Thanks for those that always leave beautiful comments for me. I love you guys so much. Okay, so let's dive in. Let me take you to the app. Let's start. Thank you. In my pindodo app now, I'll be showing you how things you need to look out for when buying from a supplier to know a legit supplier on pindodo. Okay, so I've saved some items, so let me use those ones for example for you. Okay, so I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll go to my cards, my favorite. Then let me use this for example, this phone pouch. Okay, so can you see this is 6,955 people. Sorry, let me go again. See people that who have bought this particular product. Okay, these people that have bought this product. Okay, so I will screenshot it now so we can check the review together. Okay, okay, so I will minimize now. I will minimize and then, okay, sorry, this is number one thing we are checking: the review. What are people saying about the product you want to buy? Okay, what are people saying about the product? Okay, so can you see product review? Can you see product review? This one is saying good material, good looking. No, what people have said about the product. So if you want to open the product and the review and check this the whole 6,900 review, or you want to check 100 out of it, any number of review you want to check, just click on view all. Okay, click on view all. Right, see what this person is saying here. The four corner have airbags, the whole accurate, it's fit, it's high. They are saying good thing about this product. See this second review: the phone case is amazing, the hole is precise, the button is sensitive. Saying good thing about the product. Okay, so you need to check the review, what people are saying about this product. Okay, now 6,959 or so. Let me check to be precise. Oh yeah, 6,959 people have bought the product. Can you see? So this is number one. Open it and check the review. What are people saying? Okay, what are people saying about the product? What are people saying about the product? See, one thing about Pinduoduo, that you will see live review, live video. Sorry, you see people that have bought it, the review. Some will drop video, some will drop pictures. Can you see? Can you see it? Can you see? So take your time, screenshot and translate to see what they are saying about it. Screenshot and translate to see what they are saying about it. So you can then decide, okay, this particular product, oh, the supplier is good, let me be buying from this supplier. Okay, that's number one. Number two, if you see this the review is just maybe it's just written from no video, no picture. You need to check well. A product, if let's say 6,959 people have gotten this product from this supplier, all of them cannot drop written review now. All of them, some at least half will drop video or picture of what they got. Okay, so you need to look into that. Then number two, if you chat the supplier now, how fast is this supplier responding to you? If it's the one you chat and it take 3 days for the supplier to reply you, please stay away, because by the time you pay too, it will take them time to process your order. Then another thing is, you should not allow supplier to send you, let me say I click to send this supplier a message now, and the supplier is, after we discuss, send me Alipay or WeChat to pay into outside the app. Please don't do that. If you are buying on the app, stay on the app, buy on the app, pay on the app. Okay, there's nothing bad with you paying offline, but if you are chatting with contacts, you can pay offline. Okay, and you have to ensure the contact is legit. But if you are chatting on the app and it's your first time, please stay on the app and pay. If you have been buying on the app and you trust the supplier already, you can move the business outside the app. But if for you to just build trust first, stay on the app, so in case anything go wrong, the app will be able to, pinduoduo will be able to assist you in getting your refund back. So another amazing thing we are going to be looking out for is the store protection. Store protection. Okay, we are going to be checking store protection. Now look at this thing. See something like this green mark that we are seeing here, something like green that is here like this. If the supplier if any supplier you are buying from, if they have this thing, it means the store is recognized by pinduoduo. Okay, if they are recognized by pinduoduo. Now let's go back and check that screenshot and see what that thing is saying. Can you see that green stuff we saw? Can you see it here? Sorry, can you see it here? So I want to, can you see it here? That green stuff, so see what it's saying here. The genuine product insurance is underwritten by China Life Property Insurance. Okay, so they are insured. Is a good supplier. Is a good supplier. Okay, looking at the number of reviews, I personally checked the review before I even did this video. Review, see the number of people that have bought the product, see what they are saying about the product, check if the product has store protection. Okay, then let me now, this one now, there's something we did not see here. Check very well, there's something we did not see here. Okay, I will show you that thing in another supply, under another supplier. Now number one is that stuff I'm talking about is how many years the supplier has been on pinduoduo, selling on pinduoduo. Now you can see that we do not see anything like supplier, the years of supplier here. Okay, let me show you the screenshot again. Let's translate and see again. You see that we do not see anything like, see, there's nothing like supplier years here, right? Now let me show you another product, so you can see it. Not all, you might not see it in all the store, but that doesn't mean that the supplier is bad or the product is bad. If other ones are in check, then you are good to go. Okay, so now let me screenshot this one now and show you. Let me screenshot and show you. Okay, let's wait. Sorry, my phone is hanging. Don't worry, we're working on a new phone. Okay, so let me show you the screenshot now. Okay, so can you see here? Look at this. Look at this. What I was talking about here. See, store protection, right? That green stuff you saw that time. See it. Store protection. Then look up. You will see supplier. And sorry. See it here. I don't want to put on the right up so I can see what I'm talking about. See this one I underline here. Can you see 6 years old shop has assembled 24,600 pieces? 6 years old. Okay, so that's the years this supplier has been selling